To verify your identity on Coinbase, start by downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and navigate to the Settings menu, where you'll find the option to verify your identity. This process is required for all Coinbase customers, both new and existing, and involves providing basic information such as your first and last name. You may be asked to upload a photo of your ID or take a selfie to confirm your identity. In some cases, you might need to record a short video to verify that you're the one using the app. Additionally, some accounts may require extra details to meet regulatory requirements. To complete the verification process, simply fill out the required information in the Settings menu. This will help ensure that your account is secure and compliant with regulatory obligations.